Ever wished for a dashcam that leaves no blind spots? One that captures every angle in razor-sharp clarity, day or night, and even keeps watch when you're not around? Let's talk about the 70mai T800 Dual 4K 3-channel dashcam, designed for complete protection. It records the front, rear, and interior in stunning 4K Ultra HD with advanced night vision for low-light clarity. With smart parking guard, seamless app connectivity, and intelligent safety features, it's more than a dashcam, it's your trusted road companion. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the 70mai T800 4K front and rear dashcams, power cord with car charger and mounting accessories, documentation pamphlet. Want to grab the 70mai T800 Dual 4K 3-channel dashcam from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. The 70mai Dashcam 4K T800 is the world's first dashcam with 3-channel coverage and true 4K front and rear recording. With front, rear, and interior cameras, it captures every angle in sharp detail, whether you're driving or parked. Equipped with Sony's next-gen StarVise 2 IMX678 sensors on both front and rear cameras, the 4K T800 redefines dashcam performance. With ultra-high sensitivity and clear detail in any light, it sets a new benchmark for image quality on the road. Featuring HDR on all 3 channels, it ensures balanced exposure, enhanced contrast, and clear detail in both bright and shadowed areas. From harsh sunlight to tunnels and low light, your footage always stays sharp and well-defined. Built for urban night driving, 70mai Night Owl Vision cuts glare, balances exposure, and boosts brightness, delivering clear, detailed footage with reduced noise, even in complex nighttime conditions. AI motion detection spots suspicious activity, while collision detection records potential impacts. If triggered, you'll get instant 4G alerts via the 70mai app and can remotely view all 3 channels to ensure your car's safety. It keeps an eye on your car's battery 24/7. With 9 levels of intelligent protection, it prevents power drain and allows you to remotely manage or automatically power off the system when low voltage is detected. Specifications? Installation. In this video, we'll show you 2 methods to install your dashcam. Method 1. Via the cigarette lighter socket. Method 2. Via hardwiring your dashcam to your car's fuse box. Installation via cigarette lighter socket. Mount the dashcam in one of the recommended positions of the front windshield as appropriate, near the center of the rear view mirror, on the front of the passenger seat. Make sure the camera is below the level line of the rear view mirror. Clean the selected area and attach the electrostatic sticker to the selected position. Press the sticker to remove air bubbles. Avoid the edge of the windshield and select a flat and smooth area for the installation. Keep the windshield clean and dry to prevent sticker loss and dashcam drop. Insert the SD card into the memory card slot until you hear a click sound. Ensure it is properly seated before powering on the device. Paste the dashcam on the electrostatic sticker. Make sure the gap on the adhesive sticker aligns with that on the electrostatic sticker, and the display screen faces the car interior. Plug the car charger into the cigarette lighter socket, then plug the power cord into the dashcam and check if it turns on normally. Route the power cord to the vehicle's power outlet. Use the included wiring trim tool to hide the power cord underneath the vehicle's headliner and rubber seal along the A-pillar. Clean and dry the rear windshield thoroughly. Peel off the adhesive backing from the mounting sticker and attach the camera in the desired position. Ensure it's secure and adjust the angle for a clear view of the rear. Finally, connect the cable to complete the installation. Hardwiring the dash cam. First, turn your ignition off. Then find the cabin compartment fuse box in your vehicle. You can look for the exact location of your fuse box from the vehicle's user manual. Once you've found the cabin fuse box, proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Connect the hardwire kit to the device, then neatly tuck the cable along the edge of the headliner for a clean and secure installation. Step 2. Use a multimeter to test the fuses in your vehicle. Identify one that supplies constant power even when the engine is off, and another accessory fuse that only provides power when the engine is running. The VCC fuse should provide 12 volts even when the vehicle is off, while the ACC fuse should supply 12 volts only when the vehicle is running and no voltage when the car is turned off. Avoid using specific fuses like SRS, airbag, ABS, anti-lock braking system, or ECU, engine control unit, to prevent potential damage to your vehicle. Instead, use spare or unused fuse slots in the fuse box whenever possible. You can safely use non-critical fuses like the cigarette lighter, radio, or interior lights for accessory power connections. Step 3. Route the red VCC plus wire to the identified constant power fuse and secure the connection using an add-a-fuse tap or appropriate terminal method. Fuse taps are directional. The outer metal prong of the fuse tap is where power comes in. This prong must connect to the powered terminal in the fuse box, meaning the outer prong of the fuse tap should align with the metal contact in the fuse slot that supplies power. Step 4. Route the yellow ACC plus wire to a switched power fuse, ACC, using a fuse tap, ensuring the circuit is energized only when the ignition is in the ACC or run position. Step 5. Route the black ground wire to a clean, unpainted metal bolt on the vehicle's chassis and securely fasten it to ensure a solid ground connection. Set up with app. Scan the QR code to download and install the app, or search for 70mai in the App Store or Google Play to download and install it. Open the app and tap the plus sign on the home page. In the Bluetooth scanning result list, tap the dash cam's name, same as the dash cam Wi-Fi name, and then confirm the authorization on the dash cam. When connected, the dash cam's homepage displays. You can view the live video and configure the dash cam settings. Safety precautions. Button functions. The 70mai T800 4K dash cam has 4 function buttons: switch camera views, toggle the cabin camera, turn audio recording on or off, and access system settings. A side power button lets you turn the screen on or off with a tap, or power down the device with a long press. The side indicator light shows recording status, standby mode, or errors. Voice commands. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your 70mai T800 4K cam. See you in the next one.